the Edifier W320TN presents an enticing option for audio enthusiasts. Featuring a semi-in-ear open-fit design reminiscent of AirPods, these earbuds offer day-long comfort without the need for ear tips, fitting snugly on the outer ear canal. Crafted from glossy plastic with a grippy texture, they provide both comfort and security for light exercises. The W320TN employs adaptive active noise cancellation, ANC, showcasing impressive performance, though it operates exclusively with both earbuds. While some ANC earbuds allow single-ear ANC use, the W320TN seamlessly switches between earbuds for mono listening. Despite the inherent limitations of semi-in-ear designs, the ANC performance excels, particularly in eliminating higher frequencies like people chatter. However, it may not block lower-frequency rumbling noises as effectively. Overall, while not matching in-ear ANC earbuds, the W320TN's performance surpasses expectations. In the audio department, the W320NT lacks AAC or aptX support but compensates with SBC, LDAC, and an 80 ms low-latency game mode ideal for gaming. The 13mm dynamic drivers deliver a pleasing mid-range emphasis, making vocals and instruments clear and forward. Punchy bass with noticeable rumble and slightly recessed treble characterize the sound profile. Despite 4 preset sound options for EQ adjustments, the absence of a built-in EQ band in the Edifier Connect app is a notable drawback. While third-party EQ apps offer customization, the inability to save EQ tuning limits this aspect. The Edifier Connect app enhances functionality, providing battery level monitoring, ANC toggling, game mode activation, LDAC enabling, multi-point connection setup, and touch control customization. The unique pinch-style touch control design proves responsive, with gestures for various functions. The user-friendly app, without requiring email registration, ensures convenience. Notably, downloading the app is essential for enabling game mode, LDAC, and multi-point. Microphone performance shines, excelling in important calls even in noisy environments, thanks to effective noise reduction. The voice call quality remains clear for seamless conversations. Playback duration, based on SBC codec at 80% volume with ANC on, offers 3.5 hours on the earbuds and an additional 14 hours from the charging case. Disabling ANC extends earbud playtime to 5.5 hours, complemented by an extra 22 hours from the charging case. Charging the earbuds takes approximately 1 hour, with 10-minute quick charge support, while the charging case requires about 1.5 hours. It's crucial to note that LDAC playback consumes more power, resulting in about half the battery life compared to SBC playback. Notably, the W320NT earbuds power off when placed inside the case, even without closing the lid, introducing a 2-second reconnection delay when taking the earbuds out. In terms of design, the W320TN charging case features a matte plastic glossy finish, a metal hinged lid, and a curved pebble design. While this design prevents upright standing, the USB-C port is on the bottom side. The robust hinge minimizes wobbling, and a single status LED on the front provides battery and Bluetooth pairing feedback. The earbuds share the sleek finish, offering a grippy texture for a secure fit. The pod hair dryer style design, with a long stem and outer canal fit, means the earbuds don't insert inside the ear canal. The case weighs 40.5 grams, with each earbud at 4 grams, totaling 48.5 grams for lightweight portability. The dimensions of the charging case are 5.5 cm long, 5 cm high, and 2 cm thick.